Hello machine learning enthusiasts. Please do subscribe our channel for artificial intelligence knowledge and also press the bell icon ताकि जब भी कोई नया वीडियो अपलोड हो आप उसे जल्दी से इम्प्लीमेंट कर सको.
Hello, this is Urmi Mahajan. Hope you all are doing well. So, this video is about age gender prediction. In today's generation, we all use smartphones, some of which have age gender prediction. If your phone also has age gender prediction, let us know in the comment section below. So, stay home, keep learning, keep watching, and if you just want to see the output, go to the minute given on the screen.
Hello again, this is Neha Atara, last year computer engineering student. Today we'll explain about the implementation of age and gender prediction. So stay tuned. Let's start by importing required modules. First is CV2. CV2 will be used for capturing the image from the frame and perform other image related functions. Second, import math. In this project, it will be used for the frame width and height. Second, import time. Time will be used to read the frame. And last module is argparse. Now argparse is the recommended command line parsing module in the Python standard library. Means whatever the argument you pass in the argparser will be added at the time of getting the output. We will see that later. First, define function getFaceBox in which we will try to detect the face. Parameters will be net, frame and the threshold value. Now we will use OpenCV DNN model for frame height and width. What is OpenCV DNN module? That is a library that implements inferencing with deep networks pre-trained using some popular deep learning frameworks such as Caffe. Here, Caffe will be used for AgeNet and GenderNet. Now, to get the mean values, scales the value by scale factor, crops image from the center, we need to use blob from image. Now, blob will be used to set the input and detection will start to get performed and append all the frame width and height with B boxes and return output in the form of frame OpenCV and B boxes. After that, with the help of argparser, we add the argument input, that is hyphen input, which will be the path to our input image or the video file. We can skip this argument to capture directly from the webcam. After that, we have to give pre-trained face model, age model, gender model and their proto.txt files, which you can find in our GitHub code link. Now to predict the age of the person, we have given the list from 0 to 2, 4 to 6 up till 100. And to classify the gender, we give male and female. Now load the network, that is AgeNet, GenderNet and FaceNet, in which models and profiles will be given. Now to open a image or video file or camera stream, CV2.video capture will be used and it tries to detect the face. If face not detected, it will print no face detected and checking the next frame. And now perform the predictions based on GenderNet and AgeNet and prints the output in the format of gender, age. First, let's try to give the image for testing and then we will perform test from the webcam. So let's run the code. Thank you for watching. If you want us to explain the implementation of our code, let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, like our video and share as much as you can. Thank you.